All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin, to staking the coin, to getting that credit card with BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Just all kinds of good stuff. Drip Network getting 1% ROI on your investment for 365%. We'll link and at the end we'll link something about that. All kinds of good stuff. Today we're talking about VVS Finance. Yep, this cryptocurrency is up right now. We're going to go to the website, check out their Twitter. What's the news going on with VVS Finance? And being one day away, we're going to talk about FTX giving away 1 million or 1.5 million to fans watching the Super Bowl. I think you're going to have to download the FTX app on your phone, because if you win the Bitcoin, it's gonna get deposited on your account. So we're gonna talk about that. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand about cryptocurrency, and one day, own some cryptocurrency, or at least understand it, be able to look at the charts. Is it a good buy? Is it not a good buy? That's the goal of this channel. All right, let's head over to VVS Finance. All right, VVS Finance is ranked right here. 415. It's up 17% in the last 7 days. That's fantastic. Clicking it. Over here to the right in the last 24 hours, it is down almost 5%. There's 4 zeros, and a 39.49 is the number where it's at. We'll do a price prediction when we're done here. Again, in the last 24 hours, it has dipped a little bit. Take a look at the chart. It's dipped at 5%. There's your 5% dip. But in the last 7 days, it's up. So right here, look at here. There's your 5% dip right here. But from where it started, look at, oh, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up. So 17% up, came down to 5%. It's still 12% up from the beginning of the week. Fantastic. I mean, that's really, really good. Right here on the Twitter account, VVS invites all innovators to build with us and grow the future of DeFi together. Cronus has surpassed 2 billion in TVL, total value lockup. Top 9 chains of TVL, over 100 projects live on mainnet beta. The top 9 projects, take a look right here. VVS Finance is right there. Fantastic. Tectonic, we like Tectonic. Corona Swap, Beefy Finance, Auto Farm Network. 2 billion TVL on Cronus. Total value locked up. Fantastic, everybody. It says right here, our first IGO partner, Single Finance, is now listed on Gate.io. Congrats on the successful launch. Fantastic. Single new listing. All right, over here at the website, very, very simple DeFi trading for all. Your gateway to decentralized finance movement. Take control of your finance and earn sparkly VVS rewards. Learn about VVS Finance. We aim to make DeFi simple and within reach of billions. Low fees. That's so key right there. Take a look at that. Low fees, fast transaction, and competitive earning. So there's 3 things right here. Shiny yield farming opportunities. Streams of passive income. Now, everybody is into passive income right now, everybody. To multiple your assets. The rarest of the brightest yield farms in VVS farms. Clear incentives for all. Token economics incentives built for long-term value creations. Our minds will always be bombful. Hardened securities and governance. Designed with security in mind and community governance in heart. Platform governance will be passed gradually to the community. It says choose your path and join the DeFi movement today. Well, over here you could be a DeFi trader. Swap instantly swap tokens for low fees and slippage. Keep your eye out for new pairs and new listings. That's really easy. You could be a liquidity provider. Low minimums. Supply a token to reach liquidity provider LP tokens. Collect transactions, fees, and farm shiny VVS rewards. And one of my favorites, being a miner, be a VVS miner. Your passive income, crystallization, your VVS token staking for a fixed amount to receive even more VVS tokens. Straight and forget that. It's that simple. All right, VVS token is at your core of the VVS Finance, the value, the utility, and the governance. All right, everybody, VVS Finance is up right this second. We're going to come back to it. I think it's an absolute fantastic project. A lot of people are liking it. We'll come back to VVS Finance in a little bit. All right, why are people going to win millions of dollars on Sunday? That's why the Super Bowl, the Crypto Bowl, these advertisers want to get you to know about crypto. FTX especially, Binance especially, crypto.com especially, and BitBuy. Those are the 4 cryptocurrencies that you're going to see on Sunday. I've been saying forever. The best, a month ago, I was saying, oh, when we get to the Super Bowl, people want to know about the best commercial. And I was saying it's going to be a crypto commercial where there's 4 companies that are going to be advertising. Now, I'm just going to say the one that's giving out Bitcoin may win. I don't know what their advertisements are going to be, but let's head over to FTX and talk about this 1 million to 1.5 million giveaway in 2 days from now. Holy cow, everybody. FTX will give out free Bitcoin during the Super Bowl. Here's how you enter. One of the world's largest crypto exchanges has announced it will be giving out free Bitcoin during the Super Bowl. FTX, one of the largest crypto exchanges, has announced an additional to the planned Super Bowl advertisements. Now listen to this. It says, we're giving out some Bitcoin. How much? I don't know, 1 million? 1.5 million? They don't actually know. So they're going to give out 1 million. Over $1 million is going to be given out on Sunday in Bitcoin. Later on the game, as it airs, the more Bitcoin you can see and win on Sunday. No purchase is necessary. Let's take a look at this little advertisement. I bet you Saturday or Sunday you'll start seeing this.
I've missed out on talking for 33 years, but I'm not missing out this Sunday. FTX is giving away the time their ad runs in Bitcoin, and I'm going to win. For charity.
Now that's your little 20-second commercial. Never seen it advertised on all the playoff games. Didn't get to see it the whole season of football. I like football. I watch it. I've been seeing Tom Brady talking about what he's getting into. I've been seeing Tom Brady doing a trade. It's always crypto related. This one's about him going to, the Bitcoin's being given away. All right, how about the details? What do you got to do? Each winner will receive a Bitcoin deposited into their what? Their FTX account. The amount of the Bitcoin to be deposited will equal the estimated time, hours and minutes, the sponsor does on the 13th. So one, you're going to have an FTX account, everybody. So you may want to go and download it today. The crypto exchanges took to Twitter to announce that they'll be giving away free Bitcoin to 4 lucky winners. Okay, so here's number 1. Oh, and by the way, there's so much money given away, you don't even hear about the team. Cincinnati Bengals, Los Angeles Rams. Look at this typo right here. They say the 14th. The game's on the 13th. All right, but anyways, here's my first example. FTX is giving away $1 million to $1.5 million in Bitcoin. Why stop there? Super Bowl or Crypto Bowl? What should we call it? Says, we are well aware that the ads ran between the Super Bowl intervals are gaining increasable attention to the entire nation. NBC has sold advertisements this upcoming season. 30-second commercials. Dig this. $7 million. Here, let me highlight that. $7 million. Now, we're supposed to be in a pandemic and everything. The ads are up 27% from last year. So if you were an advertiser last year, this year, just to do the same thing, you're paying 27% more. Kind of sounds like real estates and cars right now, doesn't it? But here's the kicker. 43% of the advertisers this year, marketers, are made up of new businesses, including cryptocurrency exchanges. 43%, it's close enough to half for me. Half the ads are going to be new businesses, and we know 4 of them. Here we go. Let's name the 4. Oh, this is important. On February 13th, you're going to hear some of the biggest names telling you about crypto. But do they know you? Do they know your finances? Only you do. Trust yourself and do your own research. The video was saying something ad ran by Binance, one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world. Well, here's the 4 that's advertising, everybody. Binance is advertising in the Super Bowl. FTX is advertising in the Super Bowl. Crypto.com is advertising in the Super Bowl. And BitBuy is advertising in the Super Bowl. We also got some super awesome advertisements. This Super Bowl halftime show is going to feature Dr. Dre at this halftime show, Eminem and Snoop Dogg. Now, this is interesting. Eminem has recently purchased a Bored Ape NFT for how much? $500,000. $500,000 Eminem has purchased a Bored Ape. Holy cow, everybody, that's just seriously a lot of money. Well, there's also going to be exchanges and celebrities selling NFTs, celebrities buying NFTs. We'll have people doing all kinds of crypto things. This is going to spark the adoption of cryptocurrency. I'm going to say, again, all my information is for educational purposes only, but more people are going to hear about cryptocurrency on Sunday than ever before. 4 different companies, all advertising. You heard it from Frank's Crypto Corner. Get your app from FTX. Download it. If you win a Bitcoin, make sure you post it on my thing for sharing it with you. All kinds of good stuff. All right, let's go ahead and head back over to VVS Finance, do a price prediction, and finish their website. But I had to talk about the Super Bowl. It's coming up tomorrow. In 1 day from now, you want to get, if you're a crypto person, which I know you are because you're on this channel, you may not be a football person, but it's the biggest event of the year and 4 new cryptocurrencies. Just for the sake of knowing what the ads are and wondering what's BitBuy going to talk about? What's crypto.com going to talk about? FTX, we know they're giving a giveaway, and Binance? Yeah, this is going to be a fantastic Super Bowl, especially if you're a crypto person. All right, back over here, VVS Finance. Number 1 is the value. You need to stake your reward. The bread and butter for our miners. Remember, I'm a miner. We talk about mining the coin. The bread and butter for the miners is to stake your VVS and earn more VVS. Second is utility. Stash and join coming soon. The VVS Union Club. The more you put in, the more you get out. And it's real simple. Governance, hold to vote, coming soon. The community, we are simple and we grow DeFi enthusiasts who are desired to build a platform of peers and we use and love. All right, so let's do a price prediction over here. VVS Finance is up 17% right this second, which is fantastic. It dropped 5%, so it's really a net gain of 12% in the last 7 days. So it's up 12%. There's 4 zeros and a 39.48. My price prediction, because VVS Finance is doing good, people are liking it. I think that 39.48 is going to turn into 44.48, a little bit of a bump right there. All our information is for educational purposes only. Make sure you do your own research. I'm not a financial planner. We're just all friends here, everybody. All right. VVS Finance, fantastic cryptocurrency, liking it a lot. Super Bowl, Crypto Bowl coming up tomorrow. Download that FTX app because when you win your Bitcoin, you're going to need to put it in there. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Click right here to see our most recent video, and click over here to see our drip video about making 1% a day ROI, 365%. It's about, it's a pretty good video talking about it. If you need a buddy, I can be your buddy. Use my link in there, and you actually, in order to get into drip, you can't get into drip through the company. You have to get in through a friend or a buddy. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner. We'll see you a little bit later on today. And hey, everybody, have a fantastic Saturday today.